I go to the supermarket.
I go to the supermarket.
I take a shopping cart.
I take a shopping cart.
I enter the supermarket.
I enter the supermarket.
I check my list.
I check my list.
I choose fresh vegetables.
I choose fresh vegetables.
I weigh the vegetables.
I weigh the vegetables. I buy apples. I buy apples.
I put food in the cart.
I put food in the cart.
I put tomatoes in a bag.
I put tomatoes in a bag.
I look at the price.
I look at the price.
I compare prices.
I compare prices.
I take a bottle of water.
I take a bottle of water.
I buy milk.
I buy milk.
I get some juice.
I get some juice.
I pick some chicken.
I pick some chicken.
I go to the cashier.
I go to the cashier.
I wait in line.
I wait in line.
I put my items on the counter.
I put my items on the counter.
I pay the cashier.
I pay the cashier.
I pay with cash.
I pay with cash.
I pay with a card.
I pay with a card.
I pack my bags.
I pack my bags.
I take the receipt.
I take the receipt.
I carry the bags.
I carry the bags.
I carry the bags.
I leave the supermarket.
Great job. Speak English every day. Practice a little. Improve a lot. Learn English with fun. Follow the channel for more easy English.